Reading used to be a solo activity, but what if your reading list was a living conversation? Books don't talk, we do. Welcome to Shelf Talk.
Hello everyone, this is Dhruv and I'm here to show you my project ShelfTalk, which is a community app for book lovers. And I started this as my semester 5 college project and in September 25 and left it halfway there in November. And I thought to revive it for the Github-finish-up-a-thon challenge and dev community. So let's get started. Let's sign into our account. You can create your one if you want to. This is our discover page where you can find other readers on the reader tab. These are the readers. You can see their profiles, go through their favorites, activity clubs. Then you can DM them if you want to. Then uh, you can filter out them by the names. Can see which of the guys are online. The one is online. And you can filter them by their favorite genres so you can connect better. Then you can sort them and filter them by the locations. Then we have book clubs where you can also have all the similar filters. Groups are either public or private. And this is one of the group I created. And you can join the public groups directly, but you need the authorization of the owner if the group is private. So you can join a public group. So you join the group. Now let's go for the post page. You can create a post if you want to. Now, you can either have a normal post or you can have this slash quote. So it would look like a quoted line from the book to give it a better user experience effect. Say, life is great uh, by myself. Probably I posted this again, but it's okay. All right, this is my post. And this is what a normal post looks like. You can add the comments if you want to. You can add it and delete your post. Same goes with your comments. You can share your uh, post with either the club, I mean the club's group chat, or any personal chats. All right. And you can also view the person who wrote this. All right. You can also view the person who wrote this and go to their profiles. You can also DM them from the profiles. All right. Now we send a post to this user and you can view your post like this. A little good for better user experience, right? So this was the post. We have stamps because it is a community app for book lovers. And this was the post page. All right. Now let's go for chat. You can, as I said, you can go through users and DM them directly from here, or you can add them from here. So the names and can start the chat from here. And you can view their profile from this button and you can block the conversation from here. Now I'll show you the uh, actually in the previous version I had REST polling, so the page would refresh every 10 seconds, which was probably not a very better implementation. So I added socket for now. And to show the socket, I'll log into a different account so I can show you. You don't have to refresh the page every when someone messages you. So this is the account. Now let's message this person, say hi, and we get this notification, push notification, and the hi came here without refreshing the page. All right, seems nice. This is socket implementation. You get push notification every time someone messages you. Then, uh, okay, this was it. You can go for file attachments if you want to, and you can add the emojis from here. All right, so this was the chat part. Then let's go for a group. Let's create one of our own. Say Sci-Fi Club. And Let's make it public for now. Let's create, have a group, sci-fi club. Then let's view this club. As the owner of the group, you can invite someone from here. Let's say invite. So the invite is sent, get the push notification. Now this user can see in his request tab that these are the invites to me. These are the requests I have requested the owners to join these groups and my membership, the groups I am a member of. And these are the requests waiting for your approval. So if you own a group, then and someone sends your request to join your group, then it will be shown here. You can accept or decline that. So let's accept this and be a part of the sci-fi group. All right, sci-fi group. Now this is what the typical group dashboard looks like. You can add your post from here for the say online forum. Get to join this club. Say we post it. We get push notifications for all the group activities, and it doesn't come every time. It just goes to the other members of the group, not to yourself. So not to annoy you. But since I have both the tabs open on the same machine, it happens. Now, similar for the post, you can add it, delete, can have a comment and share it to anyone you want. So I send it the link to a chat and someone can open it. All right. Now, so there's a group and this is the group chat. Everything has the socket, so you don't have to refresh the page again and again. All right. See, got this without having to refresh it. All right. And this is the library part. Library can be PDFs to the library can be added only by the group owner. So that was not visible on the other part of the user. Now let's add any random file, upload it, and you can start a session with your PDF or you can read the PDF solo. So first I'll show the solo part. It's just a PDF reader with a small progress bar. So this is it. You can go through the pages one by one. All right. Now let's go back to group and let me show you the library. Now let's start a session. Okay. Session has two parts. One is reading room, which is this. You can have annotations page wise so as to have the better as a club reading experience. So let's go. This notation added. Someone will be able to have this. All right. Now there's a session created. You can join the session. Sessions can be added, ended only by group owners. You can see the annotation and you can also see the leaderboard. So both are on the page one, so it's together. Now let's say we move to page number 3 and there's how the normal leaderboard works. All right, you can have the annotations for page 2, say very good. And the person in the front will be able to see there's a leaderboard. All right. Okay. We both are together now, since we both are at third page. So this was the reading room and all that. Let's end this session. All right. Now I'll show you one more functionality I've added. These are the members. You can make any member a moderator, and as a moderator, you'll have the access to invite someone if you want. But if someone requests to join the club, then only owner will be able to join that guy. Then as a moderator, you can also add PDFs to the library and normal stuff. But you can't make anyone as the moderator. All right. Now, as a owner, you can't just leave the group. You'll have to choose someone from the moderator, make them the owner, and then you can leave. So as to not have stray groups uh, in the database. All right. Let's try to do so. So transfer and leave. All right. It's transferred. Now you are not part of the group, so the sci-fi club is not present over here. Now DJ29 is the owner. I'm the owner. Will be shown here, just one member. And you can, as the only member, you can leave the group because there are no moderators. And then you can simply delete the group. So guys, this was the thing. Now I want to show you the last functionality I have created since I revived this project, which is the daily diary. And this is where your daily activities on the website will be shown as a part of a small diary. So, since when you joined the ShelfTalk, you read 3 pages, 2 posts are written, 1 reactions are dropped, and then you have this daily dose of what you do. Share to community, join the reading session, left a reaction like that. And it's personal to you. No one can see it. I'll show you that too. Let's say the EMV profile. See, you can see someone else's diary. So guys, this was it. This is my project. I'm sorry to take a lot of time, but I had to since it's a community app. You have a lot of features, and this was the project I revived and added a lot of new features, sockets, and everything that I showed you. Now, thanks for your time and have a great year ahead. Thank you very much.